Yow! My cooking. Okay, for 10 people. Well, I'm cooking with rice. It's called basmati rice, Indian rice. Let's see if it will taste good. Well, I have this one that I'm gonna mix with the rice, okay, to make it tasty. We have a way. I have somebody, my friend has a recipe. It's cool. It's from my family. All right. With this chickpea, right? Cool. All right. My classmate, my Chinese roommate, taught me how to cook rice, and water will come up to here. Okay. All right. All right, so depending on the type of rice, okay, you can just add a little bit of water. Don't add too much water or it will be soggy. Okay. Why? The water would be up to the level that you want the rice to rise up to, okay, so that it doesn't overwhelm the pot. All right, and then you stir. Okay, there you stir. Alrighty. Okay, after 40 minutes, this is how it came up to, just as I predicted. All right, so in case you want to, according to how you want it to be, okay, you can add water or whichever, okay, to make it soft and all that. You can put some foil on it and make it cook well or soft. Okay. All right, so I stir it up again, all right, to make sure that it's evened out. Okay, for another bout of water. All right, just a little bit to make it to rise. All right, and then that's it. Let's see. Hey, sorry about my vanished nail. Now this one, it can't focus well. All right, so this one is Happy Birthday Jesus. All right, and that's Ghana for yeah. Okay, so the bottle is here. All right, made in whatever, India, and this is the bottle. All right, it can be a rum. If it's a rum, all right, I can use it, okay, for a cake. All right, my Jamaican friend also taught me how to do that rum cake. Oh my God, Jesus. Just a little bit of water. All right. Okay. Okay, after 29 minutes, you see, all right, I poured it gradually, all right, gradually, all right, and that's how it's supposed to be, so that the rice will be nutritious, all right, not overcooked as typical of Ghana people. All right. Okay, then I add chickpeas, the chickpeas to it, and I line it up with a little butter, okay, and I line it up with a little bit of salt, okay, and then I added salt previously and line it up so that the customers or the consumers, eaters, will have some nutrition. For me, it's very, very critical. All right, all right, you don't want a bloated tummy. You must make sure that you maintain your weight, and that is me. Right, just as I predicted, you see. So we have it raising up here. If you put too much water, it will be soggy. All right, so you try as much as possible to make sure that when it doesn't overwhelm the pot if it's big. Okay, all right.
Me. Lock screen. My Instagram. Favorite song. Favorite picture.
About your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
I should get my therapy, but honestly, I'm too goddamn tired.
Heavenly Father, we thank you this evening for gathering us together once again. Father, such occasion we can't celebrate without inviting you, Lord. And so at this moment we invite you, Father, to be in our midst. So Father, whatever we do will be an admonishment unto you, Lord.
Yeah.
You bless it and sanctify whatever we are going to do here.
Sure.
And bless the whole program, Lord.
Sure.
So we commit it into your hands in your mighty name.
Amen. He is also full. Okay, let's kill this. All right. So I hope it tastes good.
I'm a house person, so I'll take this one.
No. You take. I'll take this one.
No.
Now let's kill this. It looks cool. Oh God.
That's all right. Phil, don't look at us.
All right. Let's go. All right. Thank you. No, we have this. Okay. All right. Okay. Fuck Mr. Joe. Hey God. Okay. All right. Bon appetit. Aha. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. No salt. Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Now go play your school like a final. And anything when you say the final. And you will cut my spinal. Follow the air. That's how some be a man can hear. You don't go fit to contaminate. Me would tell you love to behave.
Toasts everyone should know, Part 1. Here's to those that have seen us at our best and our worst, and can't tell the difference. May we get what we want, but never what we deserve. To the ones who love us, the losers who lost us, and the lucky bastards that get to meet us. Some ships are wooden ships, but those ships may sink. The best ships are friendships, and to those ships, we drink. To hell, may the stay there be as enjoyable as the way there. May you be in heaven a full half hour before the devil knows you're dead. To staying positive and testing negative. Here's to the storks that bring good babies, the crows that bring bad babies, and the swallows that bring no babies at all. To the nights we'll never remember, with the friends we'll never forget. To our wives and our girlfriends, may they never meet. May our children have rich fathers and beautiful mothers. To staying single, seeing double, and sleeping triple. To the kisses we've snatched, and vice versa. This one was much requested. Here's to honor. To getting honor, staying honor, and if you can't come in her, come on her.
Jesus!
Protect my energy from your bad aura. Now my boss go say I be my healer, everything I design. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get your back, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just stay, follow my